All right, so here I am, about ready to leave. Got all my stuff packed, ready to go. Let's do this. Heading down to the airport. I'm about ready to get out of here. Mom, I'm going off to college. We just picked up Brennans. Hey, looking slick, my bro.
That means that extra holiday.
Alright, so we're in this bit. In the airport. About to go into a hectic line at TSA. It's about to be major. See that? What? Just made it through the TSA. Shit was hectic. Fast paced. I'm way too stoned for this right now. I cannot do this. Coming back on though. Hopefully we get some beers at some time. You know, sometime soon. Where's my backpack? I'm a fucking retard. So guess where we ended up, huh? We got a couple more minutes till our flight leaves. 30 more minutes. But we're at the bar here. We're about to go slam a couple beers. Get a real good time going on that plane. Alright, so we made it to beautiful Colorado. I'm a little bit sleep deprived, had a 14-hour flight, haven't slept in about 24 to 28 hours. Feeling super tired, we're waiting for a super shuttle right now. It's about to get real super. Gotta take a shit pretty bad too, so we'll keep you posted. We got Brennans here. I'm pretty sure he's feeling a little fucked up too. But I mean, you look around, mountains in the background, it's beautiful. So coming from Maui, you think things like this is cool. A frozen pond with cigarette butts in there. But look, it's fucking frozen. That would take you out. I don't care how fucking sleep deprived I am. This is fucking cool. And I haven't even seen snow yet. Get ready for me to fucking amp when I see snow. This is gonna be crazy. We're here. This is amazing! Yeah!
Sliverthorne dealer, right?
Hello, Sliverthorne! Oh my god, it's snow! Oh my goodness. This is so fucking cool. Okay, man, you ready? Okay, you ready? You ready? Just made it up Sliverthorne, Colorado. Just played in the snow for the first time. I feel really good. This is like a dream come true for me. Brennan, what's your thoughts? How are you feeling about this?
Super cool, man. Like
Brennan is really actually stoking on it. He actually really is stoking on it. I am fucking amazed. This is so fucking cool. Jesus Christ. I am be honest that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, so for once, Brennan's actually excited. We're in the snow and it's fucking cold! Alright, so we're about to gear up, about to go snowboarding for the first time.
I hate you.
But over here. Slopes look mean. We're not at an actual ski resort. We're actually just gonna go snowboard right off the go. Alright, here we are. Top of the world. Alright, we're here. Just walked up some random hill. First time snowboarding. We're about to catch major edge. Brennan's fucking lacing up. What the fuck? This thing is so cool. I'm so scared, dude. I want to go down a mellow hill. Dude, I'm scared. Dude, this is gonna be so gnarly. Dude, it's so not even close. Watch say you walk around with it. Oh, he's going!